everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a discount on the service level for all children for a specific date. To do this, you can click on your service menu and under General, click on Details. You're then going to click on the Discounts tab and you're going to click here to add a new discount. You would use this type of discount if you're discounting children for a specific day, for example, 50% discount for a public holiday or a specific promo that you're running. So to complete this action, you can select the effective from and to date. Select the discount type. So for example, if you would like to run a daily discount, this is going to apply for specific days that you select. If you select weekly, it's going to apply that discount across all of the days within that week that you select. And there are also two types. So a dollar value of the session fee. So this may be a $10 discount off the session fee. For example, if the session full fee is $100, you're then going to discount them $10 off. Or you can use a percentage. So the value that you enter into that percentage box is the value that is discounted from the session fee. So for example, if I enter in 50% and the full session fee is $100, the discounted rate becomes $50 for that child's booking. Now, please keep in mind that the CCS entitlement value will be less because the session fee is less than what it initially was charged. For those particular circumstances where CCS has allowed you to waive the gap fee, you can select the percentage of the booking gap fee. So this is a little bit different to the session fee because you're discounting the guardian's outstanding gap fee. So again, if I enter in 100% and the guardian's gap fee is $20, this means that the $20 will be fully discounted. The CCS portion of that session fee will still be provided to the provider. However, the gap fee will be fully discounted. You can select the discount category, so you can use the system type standard, or if you have the super user access, you can add new categories, and this is good for your discount reporting. If you're using the gap fee discount, you need to select the days you wish for this discount to apply. And again, if it's a weekly discount, you do not need to select those days. You can nominate a specific room for this discount, or you can apply it across all rooms. And if the date is for sessions that have already been submitted to CCS, please ensure that you do tick the Submit Varied Session Reports option. Once you've completed all of those actions, you can click Save to save that discount. For any further information on how to apply discounts to children's bookings from the service level, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.